Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to delete a TikTok video on Android. So open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in, and then go to the video that you want to delete by going to Me, bottom right hand corner of the screen, click on Me. And then right underneath your profile on the left hand side, there's 6 little vertical bars right there. You can see all the videos that you have made and posted. I've only posted one and here it is. We'll go ahead and click on it. And then you go to the bottom right hand corner where you see those 3 horizontal dots. Just go ahead and click on those dots. And then if you swipe over to the right on the bottom row, all the way at the end you can see a trash can with the word delete written on it. Go ahead and press delete if you would like to delete this TikTok video. It asks you to confirm, press delete. And there you go. You have effectively deleted a TikTok video on an Android device. Hope this video helped you out, guys. Thanks for watching. If it did, smash that thumbs up and consider subscribing.